With gold prices coming down, are you anticipating or looking at demand improving going forward from here?
Yes, with the gold prices coming down, and the festive season is just around the corner. So while the Pitri Paksh is starting in the coming days, up to 14th of October, we see that, the winter weddings and also the plan for Dhanteras, consumers start moving around, the stores reach out to the customers, and customer starts giving their advances and select the products for the season. So I think this price coming down will give them a boost and encourage customers to be very keen to buy more products, and the volume in terms of the quantity of gold or whatever diamonds they would want to buy, that is there is a probability of it going up. So overall I think it will be a tailwind towards buying having a good season ahead.
All right. So the decline in prices rather is definitely supporting demand. We have seen the diamond prices also come down, and that is the reason all the diamond associations in India have come together as a cartel to ensure that not too much imports happen in order to stabilize prices. What's your sense on what really conspired?
See, economics is all about demand and supply. And we have seen that globally, US is in a kind of a slowdown. China as a market is also slow. So with the production and the supplies that have already been there and the preparation that the industry had taken to supply to all over the world, I think they did not have any option but to control the supply so that there is stability in terms of pricing and demand. And we are all very hopeful that the demand in our country shall be very good for the festive season, and the prices will stabilize. It will not go down more, and it will give confidence for everyone in the industry. So I think they didn't have any option but to take this step for the betterment of the industry.
Hmm. All right, I don't think the consumers would agree much with that, but I do understand that the industry clearly seems to be facing a lot of issues on that one. But also, since the listing, how's been the market for you? We have seen good numbers. We've seen funding come in. You've gotten more partners as well. How has your journey been since IPO until now?
So, see, in terms of the effort that is being put by the team, the whole plan of the money that is being raised in the IPO to deploy it in a manner that we open more stores. So, in the first quarter, we opened 5, 6 stores. In the second quarter, we opened 2, 3. There are more stores that are in the pipeline. So, the whole deployment of the funds are happening. The upcoming season looks good. The growth in terms of volume and value year on year in the quarter one has also been good. Quarter two will be, somewhat maybe lower than quarter one, but still there is an element of growth in it as well. So all in all, I think that the legacy of our company, the effort being put not only in the past 1 year, but in the past 50 years, previous generations, as well as the effort put by the team, we're very thankful and I think humbled by the response that we are getting from the investors, the faith that they're putting on us. And we would continue to work hard and do new things, which is most important, taking new initiatives, new markets, new products, new designs. And I guess that's the way forward.
Hmm. You spoke about the expansions in sense of stores in the first and the second quarter, but what's the overall plan here? How many stores do you have right now? What is the longer term vision with that?
So, if you look at the past, in the previous years, there has been a store opening of 12 to 15 stores every year. We have tried to aim for opening more than 20 stores for this year with the money raised in IPO. We are touching half the number, half of the year is left. So our effort is towards opening more stores. Plus the fact that we have a franchisee model which is very much sustainable, and it allows us to penetrate into the tier 2, 3, 4 towns and cities of the country. And I think that the coming 10 years, we as a country are looking forward to a high growth. Infrastructures are getting built, consumer aspirations are being fulfilled. So we are very hopeful, and we will try to fulfill that number of stores that we open every year. And that would be the way forward.